हेलो लर्नर्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे ऑनलाइन कोचिंग में। आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज बर्ड्स, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Before I start, I would like to request my viewers to note down the important points as questions repeatedly came from these topics. Now let's move on to our topic. We will start with some important facts about birds. Birds have four-chambered heart. Birds breathe through lungs. Birds reproduce by oviparous method, that means by laying eggs. Birds have hollow bones. Birds have fixed eye position. For this reason, they move their neck in different directions. Birds' eyes can focus on two different objects at a time. Birds' ears are small holes covered with feathers. Birds do not have teeth, instead they have beaks. Eagle, kites and vulture have the strongest eyesight among all birds. Eagles, kites and vultures have 4 times better vision than humans. Owl has the maximum capacity to rotate its neck. Owl can rotate its neck up to 360 degrees. Birds have poor sense of smell and taste. Birds' beaks depends on its food habit. Our next topic is a very common one. Repeatedly questions came from this topic. It is about egret bird. Egret bird sits on a buffalo's or cattle's back as it feeds on parasites on the buffalo's back. Egret bird and buffalo shares a symbiotic relation. In symbiotic relation, both the organisms are mutually benefited. Next, let's talk about the smallest bird in the world. The smallest bird in the world is hummingbird. Hummingbird can flap its wings 90 times in 1 second. Next important topic is the making nest of birds. Birds make nest only to lay eggs. Bulbul makes nest with dried grass and hedges. Robin makes its nest with soft twigs, roots, wool, hair, cotton and grass. They make their nest in between of stones along roadside. Crow makes its nest using wires, wood, grass, twigs. It builds its nest high up on a tree. Coppersmith bird makes its nest in a hole of tree trunk. Quail doesn't make nest. It lay its eggs in crow's nest. The tailor bird makes its nest by using its beak like a needle to sew leaves. The dove makes its nest among the thorns of cactus plant or mehendi hedge. The sunbird makes a nest that hangs from the branch of a small tree or a bush. Now let's move on to our important questions. Question number 1. An egret bird is often seen on a buffalo's back. This is because the egret, options are, feeds on insects present in the grass, feeds on parasites on the buffalo's back, loves to sing while sitting on the buffalo's back, rests after flying for a while, and the correct option is feeds on parasites on the buffalo's back. In this question, correct option may also come like this: the egret and buffalo have symbiotic relationship. Then we have to take this one. Question number 2. Egret birds are often seen feeding something on a cattle's back. What happens in this association? The options are: bird is benefited and buffalo is harmed, only buffalo is benefited, only bird is benefited, both bird and buffalo are benefited. And the correct option is both bird and buffalo are benefited as they share a symbiotic relation. Question number 3. The birds move their neck very often because, options are, they can fly, the bird's eyes are fixed, their ears are covered with feathers, the birds have small eyes, and the correct option is the bird's eyes are fixed. Question number 4. The bird heart has dash chambers. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4, and the correct option is 4 chambers. Bird heart has 4 chambers. Question number 5. Which of the following senses is weakest in birds? Options are hearing, sight, smell, touch, and the correct option is smell. Smell sense is the weakest in birds. Question number 6. Which of the following statements about birds is incorrect? Options are birds reproduce by oviparous method, birds have 4-chambered heart, birds have heavy bones, birds have fixed eyes. And the correct option is birds have heavy bones. This is false about birds, as birds have hollow bones. Question number 7. Which of the following groups of animals can see 4 times more than humans? And the options are tiger, leopard, bull, kites, eagle, crows, kites, eagle, vultures, dove, kites, nightingales. And the correct option is kites, eagles, and vultures. Number 8. The birds that are awake at night can see objects. Options are in all colors, in blue color, only in black and white colors. Option D, none of the above. And the correct option is only in black and white colors. Question number 9. Which of the following birds can rotate its neck backwards to a large extent? And the options are quail, owl, myna, crow. And the correct option is owl. Owls can rotate its neck up to 360 degrees. Question number 10. Which bird has the capacity to rotate its neck up to 360 degrees? Options are hawk, eagle, owl, myna. And the correct option is owl. Question number 11. If a human can see up to 2 km from a particular point, then up to how much distance a bird can see from that particular point? The options are 4 km, 8 km, 10 km, 16 km. And the correct option is 8 km. As we all know, bird's vision is equal to 4 into human vision capacity. Question number 12. Birds have, options are heavy bones, hollow bones, only backbone, none of the above. And the correct option is hollow bones. Birds have hollow bones. Question number 13. Dash and dash are the largest and smallest bird respectively. Options are penguin, crow, ostrich, hummingbird, hummingbird, ostrich, kiwi, hummingbird. And the correct option is ostrich, hummingbird. Question number 14. Birds have different kinds of beaks depending on dash. Options are how big it gets, the kind of food it eats, how it drinks, where it lives. And the correct option is the kind of food it eats. Question number 15. Which of the following birds make its nest among the thorns of a cactus plant? Options are dove, sunbird, robin, crow. And the correct option is dove. Question number 16. A particular bird makes its nest high up on a tree. This bird could be, options are dove, robin, quail, crow. And the correct option is crow. Question number 17. A clever bird who does not make its own nest lays eggs in a crow's nest. The bird is, options are barbet, parrot, quail, robin. And the correct option is quail. Question number 18. This bird makes its nest in a hole of tree. The options are crow, dove, sunbird, coppersmith. And the correct option is coppersmith. Question number 19. A bird makes its nest hanging from branch of small tree or bush. This bird could be, options are sunbird, dove, robin, crow. And the correct option is sunbird. Question number 20. Which of the following birds catches its prey with feet? Options are hummingbird, crow, eagle, peacock. And the correct option is eagle. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, please comment us. और अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा और हेल्पफुल लगा, please like, subscribe and share. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.